Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bookmark. So I've got two designs here. I've got a love heart bookmark and a star bookmark. These are very simple designs, but they work and they're amazing. So let me show you how to make them. So what we want to do, we want to first start off with a box and we want to change the measurements here. So we'll tap on the corner square here and we want to tap on the length. So we'll change that to 106.12. Oops, did that work? Let's try that again. 106.12. Perfect. And then we want to change the width. Oops, I'll pop that up to 5 millimeters. So we go here and 5. Perfect. And then what we want to do is we want to change the height. And we pop on that square there and we type that 2 millimeters. So what happens here is we can see that the bottom is still the square sort of edge. I want it to be rounded. So we want to change the radius. So how to do that is we go to radius over here and we want to change that to 1.72. And can you see how it's rounded it off, which looks a lot better. And now what we want to do is we want to get our design. So I'm just going to select the love heart here. Super easy. And then what we want to do here is we want to change the height. So to the same as the actual stick of the bookmark. So 2 millimeters here. Perfect. And then what we want to do, yeah, that looks perfect to me. And yeah, we want to make sure that the stick is a certain height, which we want to reach maybe towards the middle, just so that it sticks on properly if you want to 3D print it. And we want to align it, make sure it's in the middle. Yep, that is. And then now we want to group it. So we hold, drag, we highlight it, and then we tap on the group button. And that is our perfect bookmark. There we go. So that's our love heart design. If you did want to make another one as well, you can do multiple designs. So I've just copied and pasted that one. You can ungroup it, and then you can get rid of the hearts. If you want to put like a star, just like I did on the other one, change that to 2 millimeters in height. And then you can actually rotate it. Perfect. And then I like to align it. Make sure it's in the middle. Perfect. And then what we can do is then group that one as well. And then you can change the color to yellow or whichever color you like. And there we are. That is how you make your very own bookmarks. Thank you for watching.